All right, Audition users. In the next few videos, I'm going to be using a free EQ plugin called TDR Nova. Now, I used this EQ inside my Audacity course because I hate the EQ Audacity currently has called Filter Curve EQ. It's not user-friendly and it doesn't function the same way a standard parametric EQ does, whereas TDR Nova does. Because of this, I decided to make everything really easy and just use this free EQ across the board in all my courses. Like I said, it's free, and you can download it and bring it into any DAW that you're using, so if you ever switch DAWs, you can bring it with you. Lastly, if you're wanting to use the EQ that comes with Audition instead of TDR Nova, don't worry. Once you learn how to use TDR Nova, you'll be able to use the EQ inside Audition, no problem. They function the same way. In other words, once you learn how to use one parametric EQ, you'll be able to use 99% of all the other ones out there because they all function the same way.